This is Tyler with Power Tank. In this video, we are going to rebuild a monster chuck. So, we rarely have problems with monster chucks, but occasionally you might drop in some mud or you get some sand in it and you need to clean it out. So, it's very simple. You're going to push the collar down into the locked position, and this will allow you to access both the flats here and the wrench flats here. So the brass piece is a 13/16. The inner piece is a 3/4, but it's pretty narrow, so I'm just going to use this small crescent wrench to get in there. And you're simply going to unscrew it there. Alright, unscrew it. Now, if you can help it, you want to leave this collar in the up position. That way you don't lose track of the teeth. You can take this brass piece out. That's your plunger. That's what hits the valve core. And then you have, take a pick. You can pull out this rubber seal. If you need replacement rubber seals, you can buy a Monster Chuck rebuild kit and get that. Now you can clean it out. If you do happen to drop the collar, just be very careful. You have 3 teeth, just like so, and there's your disassembled monster chuck. And now we'll go back together. So teeth, make sure the kind of crowbar end goes in the hole. That's what grabs onto the monster valve. Okay, now the little knurled part goes away from the end of the chuck, just like that. Seal goes in. If you're replacing it, make sure you put the new one in. And the brass piece. So one end kind of looks like a house. That goes down. That's the side that depresses the monster valve core. Alright. And then you just screw it back together. Real simple. Tighten it until it stops. And that's all you need. All set.